Advanced Clinicals, Cica Serum, 1.75 fluid ounces, 52 milliliters. Product Overview Description. With Hydrating Marula Oil Anti-Wrinkle Face Serum Multi-Purpose Formula fights wrinkles and redness, firm and hydrate dry, sagging skin, deeply nourishing. Cica Serum supports healthy collagen levels, noticeably reduces the look of wrinkles, scars and redness for an even-toned glow. Enriched with probiotic Glucoshield, registered to protect from pollution and other environmental causes of premature aging. Benefits: concentrated hydration for exceptionally dry skin. Non-greasy formula absorbs quickly. Restores a vibrant glow to your complexion. Attributes: naturally rich in nutritious Asiatic Acid and Madecassoside. Paraben-Free and soothing for sensitive skin. Technology. Our versatile, anti-aging Cica Serum has a rich history. This concentrated infusion of marula oil, green tea and honeysuckle is expertly blended for maximum efficacy. Cica is also known as Centella asiatica or tiger grass because tigers in India are known to roll in Cica plants to soothe their wound. Cica has been used in Chinese medicine for centuries, and has even been used to treat soldiers recovering from battle. Results: instantly absorbs into dry skin for a vibrant glow. 24 hours, skin appears more firm and elastic. 1 month, skin looks smooth and firm, with less visible wrinkles and redness. Suggested use: start with clean, dry skin. Dispense a few drops. Warm the serum between your palms and press onto your face and neck. Follow with your favorite moisturizer if additional hydration is needed. Other ingredients: water, aqua, propanediol, dimethicone, glycerin, bacillus, apple, fruit extract, PEG-12 dimethicone, lactobacillus ferment, Centella asiatica leaf extract, tetraxyldecylascorbate, dimethicone cross-polymer, sclerocriberry seed oil, glucosamine HCl, camellia sinensis leaf extract, Laurus ricoprophylium, honeysuckle, flower extract, ammonium microyl dimethyl taurate, VP copolymer, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, xanthan gum, fragrance, caprolol glycol, ethoxyl glycerin, hexylene glycol, sodium hydroxide. Warnings. Caution: for external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. If product enters eye, flush thoroughly with water. If accidentally ingested, contact a physician. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.